Ready to ditch those basic maps and unlock a world of detailed cartography for your Garmin device? First, ensure you have Garmin Basecamp installed on your computer. If you don't, download it from the Garmin website. The link is in the description now. Let's assume you've already downloaded your desired Map Tools map file, typically in IMG format. Open Garmin Basecamp. Go to the File menu located in the top left corner of the Basecamp window. From the drop-down menu, select the Import option. A File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to the location where you saved the Map Tools IMG file. Select the file and click Open. Basecamp will now import the map. This might take a few moments depending on the size of the map file. Once imported, the map should appear in the Map section, usually located in the left-hand pane of Basecamp. Click on the newly imported map to activate it. You should now see the detailed Map Tools cartography displayed in the main map view. Zoom in and explore the map. You'll notice the enhanced details, specialized points of interest, and perhaps trail information, depending on the specific Map Tools map you've loaded. Connect your Garmin GPS device to your computer using a USB cable in Basecamp. Select the map you want to transfer, and then click the Send to Device button. Choose your connected Garmin device from the list and click Send. Now you can disconnect your device, and you're ready to hit the trails with your detailed Map Tools maps. Enjoy and happy adventuring!